So the set balance will also update the balance, so something like this. So we do def set underscore balance, set underscore balance, which takes a parameter with a new balance, so we say self, and then comma new balance. Okay, after new balance we close it, a colon. Now we want to set it now, so we say self dot balance. Okay, account balance, which should be equal to new, okay, balance. All right, so anytime we call this method, it's going to get access to this and return it for us. Okay, so we now have getters and setters for, okay, so we are now going to set the getter. We're now going to create the getter method for what? For the balance. So def get balance, so it doesn't take parameter again. It's going to return the updated balance, so it will be self dot what? Balance. All right, so this is how the getter and setter works in Python. Okay, so